Hi guys, it's Miss Senya here, and today we are going to be making nature sun catchers. So you're going to need a cardboard piece. I went ahead and cut out a cardboard box, and make sure you cut out the middle for it. This is going to be the border. And then you're going to need some sort of saran wrap. I went ahead and grabbed the Glad pressing seal only because it's sticky on the inside, but you can use any type of clear saran wrap. And as well as nature items, I went ahead and picked a bunch of flowers and leaves and all different kinds. So what you're going to do is grab your big piece of saran wrap. You're going to place the cardboard color side down. You could color your cardboard however you want. Then you're going to add all your little types of flowers. Make sure they're squished first, or however you want it. Flowers and leaves, you can add sticks, rocks. Make sure the side that you want to be showing is face down, however you want. See, like this one is kind of puffy, so you're gonna go ahead and squish it down. You can squish it down with the book, with anything, like a rock. I went ahead and used my hands. Use these pretty flowers. You can squish it sideways, you can squish it up and down, just like this. Yeah, however you'd like. See, and I'm rearranging all the flowers to make it how I want it. And when you think you've added enough, however you'd like it, you're going to go ahead and just fold it over. See, the good thing with this Glad press and seal is that it's sticky, so you don't need to use any type of tape. But if you don't have that, if you're using a different type, or if you're using contact paper, then you can go ahead and use tape for that. Since I did cut it a little bit short, I'm gonna go ahead and add another piece. Kind of stuck to each other. Right down the middle. I'm going to be going ahead and flatten it out as much as possible. And fold it over. What's great about this sun catcher is that you can go ahead and hang it anywhere, even on your window. You can use a piece of tape to hang it, or you can cut a hole at the top. And go ahead and put a piece of string through that hole and hang it wherever. Okay, and there we go. There's your little design. This is mine. So you can hang it anywhere you'd like, in any way you'd like. There you are. Thank you.